What is up, guys? Welcome back to Lumsden Motorsports Garage. I'm Wade Lumsden, and he doesn't know it, but hey, yeah, he didn't know I was coming at him. But we are here for day 2 of the Dirt Track Championship at Rattlesnake Raceway. As you can see, Tiss is already doing some body work. We're gonna finish pulling this door off, try to get it straightened out a little bit. Overall, last night was okay. I think good for the car, not so good for finish and stuff, but I was happy with the headway that we made with, you know, getting the car dialed in a little bit more. Right now, we're working on trying to get this thing apart so we can get some of the creases out of both panels. We will continue to work on that. We also got some nose work. This stuff got flattened out. Front bumper looks completely fine, but that got flattened out. This got tore up a little bit, so yeah, we got some work to do, so we better have at it. Alrighty guys, driver's meeting is done. It's actually been done for a while. We've just been doing some more work on stuff. How you feeling, Tiss?
It's hot.
It's hot.
Somebody needs to just turn the AC on.
Dude, normally these October races are cold as cold can be. Yeah, it still feels really warm out. So anyways, we got a lot of stuff straightened out here. She looks a lot more like Car than she did before. Still wrinkled up, but we'll go out there and see what we can get done. Gonna crawl into the car now and get ready to go out for the heat race. All right, guys, a little proof that we actually do tire prep. We got him and I kind of swap off because it's kind of tiring sometimes. So, but we are doing tire prep. We made a couple little changes. Heat race did not go well for me. Track slowed way down compared to where it was last night. And I don't think I was loose enough on entry to make anything really happen. So trying to loosen ourselves up because I think it's just going to get slicker. Of course, that also is dependent on whether they excuse me one second. That is also dependent on whether or not they cut the track, but I don't think they're going to cut the track. We'll see. So we'll see what track prep they do. But for right now, we're one tire in for our tire prep, so lots more work to do. Alrighty, guys, it's time for the main event. Lucky me, starting in the back again. Let's see what kind of work I can do. that didn't go great. Car was pretty good, was decent. I just got stuck behind slower traffic. Once me and I think it was the number 5 kept going back and forth with each other. Once we got around one of the slower cars, the leaders were coming up behind us actually, and but once we got around him, we started pulling away from the leaders. So I mean, it's kind of nice to know that we had faster cars, but it kind of sucks we got stuck back there in the back. Really hurt myself at the start of every night this weekend. Dug myself a hole and couldn't get out. So, right, pretty much sums it up. Yeah, and then I kept stepping on myself, messing myself up. You know, I was my own worst enemy this time. We went for a mud bath ride. I just overdrove the car. I don't know if I think I overdrove my entry and got up into a little bit of the marbles and sent myself around. Thought I could keep it, but yeah, ended up taking a big mud bath. As far as damage goes, we're pretty good there on the last restart. I'm not sure if you guys got a chance to see it because it looks like the GoPro case got covered with mud, but we took the green for a green-white checkered. I passed a couple cars, and then coming into 3 and 4, we just totally got trained. People checking up super hard in front, and we were like the 4th car back in that, and then I had cars behind me that got into me, and yeah, we all ended up we were one big centipede at one point in time. We were just all hooked together, and it was ugly. That's what this is from, this little wowie in the bumper. So oh well, I have no idea where I finished. Not very well, probably 9th or something if I had to guess. Somewhere in there. But yeah, car's gonna live to fight another day. We got a lot of cleanup to do, some things to adjust, and go from there. I don't know if there's going to be another race before the Duel in the Desert, but that is still my plan, is to go to Las Vegas, the Duel in the Desert in November. But you know, we'll just have to see. So Tis, any final comments?
No, not really. You pretty much covered everything, so I guess like, subscribe, comment down below.
Hey, before you finish that,
yeah,
where's my gloves?
Oh, in your hands. You cheater.
You guys didn't get to see it on camera, but I think I asked him about 30 times today where my gloves are, because I'd set them, and the first probably 5 times I honestly couldn't find them, but after that it just turned into a, hey, where's my gloves? Hey, where's my gloves? Anyways, back to what you were saying.
Yeah, I don't know if I should tell them to like now. Definitely comment though, okay?
Yeah,
that was comment. that was bad trick. So like, subscribe, comment below.
Lumsden Motorsports Facebook page.
Oh yeah, I forgot about, yeah, Lumsden Motorsports Facebook page.
Hit us up for Lumsden Motorsports Win the Show, Be the Show t-shirts. And yeah, Tis,
until next time, keep the dirty side down.
Thanks for watching.